Alright, Mr. Schroeder's class, welcome to my tutorial on how to build a decent Google site. Starting with this, you will go to your page on Google Sites. Maybe you've built some before, but these are mine. These two are tests. This one is my main one, right here. How I will start is by clicking Create, and then I'll go through this whole process of naming my site and making a template that I can use to build my website. Now, this is what I have constructed for my topic of Western movies. So I have titled it the Great Western Wiki, so it'll give people information about um, things that involve Western movies and entertainment. They will also, since it's a wiki, you'll be able to add files and comments and to my home pages that I have here. Now we'll start from my home page, which can be easily clicked on by the Great Western Wiki. I have inserted two pictures and what um what this a brief sentence on what this website will be about. Now, if I go into edit page, I'll be able to click on layout and make this an organized fashion that I will be able to use to make this an organized website. Now, I did make this title page, which is called Welcome to the West, and I have this picture of Clint Eastwood and this picture of a Navajo cowboy riding in the desert. Now, for this project, you will need to make some things in your Google Drive. So, if you go into Insert, you'll be able to add images, links, posts, and any sort of things you can find on Google, YouTube, Map, but in Drive, it'll just go into your Drive account and you'll be able to take these things from it. That's what helped me with this PowerPoint that I made that is called About Western Entertainment. So it's basically making a Western movie, like the plots and settings that you'll need. So here's your characters list. I inserted two pictures, your setting, Western settings, the Western plot, and the Western plot images. Now, because this is a wiki, I need to give people information, and I have to make this a much more accurate representation to Western movies. So I have taken my favorite Western movies and my favorite Western video game, and I have put it all into this navigation bar. Now, when I was first making this project, I stumbled across a problem where I couldn't access the pages I made. Now there's a really awesome shortcut that I learned, which if you go into more actions, which is up here, if you click on that, while you're not in edit pages, you can go into site actions and edit site layout. This will let you to add pages underneath the navigation bar. Now, doing that, I was able to add my awesome other things here. So, other than the PowerPoint presentation, you will need to have a Google survey inserted into your website. So I made this real quick website to help me and my partner Cameron Oliver help us make better westerns. So it has 3 simple questions on what you think will make a good western. So we'll get to my wiki pages here. So if I go into my first page, which is The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly, which is my favorite western film. I put my summary right here. I have the poster of the movie, and I have a cool action shot of all the characters in this little image right here. I have the starring actors, the rating, the duration, the score, and the genre. Now, I think this might be useful to some Western people, but you might also be wondering what makes this a wiki if I can't edit this. Now, I did find this tool where you can, if you're viewing this, upload files that other people can see as well while they're looking at my website. This is like the template page, and this right here is where you add your own comments and other things for this certain film. Now, I did also do some for some other films that I've made, such as this one, Hang 'em High, which also stars Clint Eastwood. The rating, duration, score, and genre as well. Summary, poster, and action shot. Now, this one is a little bit different because it is a video game. Um, this is, it's the same thing. This is all that you'll see really here is action shot. This is just the rating, duration, score, and genre because I couldn't really find the starring the guys who played these guys in the recording for this video game. And then we have the summary right here. And then I have a few more movies, so for a few dollars more, starring Clint Eastwood. The Lone Ranger, which is a pretty recent film. I expect most of you have seen it. And True Grit. Now, this is my simple website. So if I was going to build a new web page for this, what I would do would be to save here. So, and you're going to go to create a page. Now, on name your page, I'm going to call this for Fistful of Dollars. Now, this will be the name of my page. This is where it'll go, and I'll click create page. Now this page won't show underneath this bar, so I'll save it. I'll go into more actions, edit site layout, go into navigation, click on that, add page, and then I'll go to Fistful of Dollars. Yep, and I'll click OK, and OK again, and Fistful of Dollars should show up at the bottom. Now that's not where I want it, because this is my ending survey. I want people to see this much more easier, so I'm going to click on my navigation again, and I can move this. So if I want to look at Fistful of Dollars, I can raise that, and it'll show up right there. Now, if I want to close out of the more actions, now I have my Fistful of Dollars, and I'll edit my page. Let's find a real quick picture of go into my poster, images, and I'll take this image, which looks great. I'll save it to my hard drive, go into here, and now I'm going to edit my layout to my classic layout for my wiki. So my poster will go here. So if I click insert image, upload images, I'll find my Fistful of Dollars, open it up in there, and then click OK. It'll show up there. Now I can make this large, and then I can put it into the middle of my screen. Then if I want to just find another I don't want the poster. If I just go into my images, I'll find a good image from this, and I like this one the most. So it does have a watermark though, so I'm gonna pass on that one. I like this one. This one shouldn't have a watermark on it, so I'll save that, and I'll save that one again. Go back in here, click there, insert image, upload, there we go, and where'd that one go? Here we go. Open that, and I'll click OK. That one's, I'm going to actually make that a medium sized picture, and I'm going to center that. And then I know who my actors are. I just know Clint Eastwood, so I'm just going to make it like my normal page would be. Make sure it's organized and stays the same. So Clint Eastwood stars in that. And then I'm going to type out my summary right here. This is the tutorial. There's all sorts of your classics, and then there's also the HTML thing that you can fill out if you're decent with coding and you don't need this guided template to help you. I hope that you found this video helpful, and I hope that you will look into my website a little bit more. Thanks. Bye.